Welcome, Divine Seekers. Today, we honor Seheiah, the 28th angel of the 72 Shem HaMephorash, known as the divine guardian of healing and restoration. Seheiah supports miraculous recoveries, protects against accidents and illness, and realigns us with divine timing for our healing journey. This angel is the embodiment of preventive wisdom and divine care. Cosmic ID card. Name: Seheiah, pronounced Seheiah. Position: 28th of the 72 angels of the Shem HaMephorash. Meaning: God who heals the sick. Zodiac domain: 5 degrees, 10 degrees Leo. Element: fire. Ruling planet: Sun with Saturn influence. Number vibration: 28. Direction: east. Choir, dominions. Divine specialties: Seheiah is the divine physician and preventive healer, protects from illness, injury, and misfortune, offers miraculous recovery and accelerated healing, guards against accidents, fires, and destruction, strengthens physical vitality and resilience, aligns you with divine timing in the healing process, helps integrate lessons from illness or physical crisis. Biblical connection: Seheiah's frequency is reflected in Psalm 71:6. By you I have been upheld from birth. You are he who took me out of my mother's womb. My praise shall be continually of you. Hebrew: Bika hasamakti mi beten mishiliat imi ata govzi tiladi tamid. When to call Seheiah: when facing a health crisis or physical breakdown, before surgery, childbirth, or intense procedures, for recovery from mental or physical exhaustion, to prevent illness or energy collapse, when experiencing trauma or chronic conditions, when you need divine protection in chaotic environments. Sacred timing: peak hours, 9 o'clock, 9:19 a.m. or p.m. Power day, Sunday, sun-ruled. Astrological period, August 2nd, 6. Lunar phase, waning moon, cleansing, or full moon, wholeness. Crystal connections: green aventurine, supports heart healing and cellular repair. Black tourmaline, grounds energy and shields from harm. Amethyst, aids in emotional balance and divine rest. Bloodstone, revitalizes the body and strengthens endurance. Selenite clears auric field for deep healing. Botanical allies: eucalyptus, clears stagnation and opens breath. Holy basil, fortifies immune and spiritual strength. Calendula, heals wounds and brightens spirit. Myrrh, ancient healing resin of restoration. Peppermint, refreshes the body and lifts fatigue. Pro tip: burn eucalyptus and peppermint oil in your space for energetic renewal. Sip holy basil tea during Seheiah's hour for spiritual immunity. Color energies: green for healing, heart activation, and life force. Gold for divine light and cellular regeneration. White for purification and renewal. Orange for vitality and body-spirit connection. Shadow aspects to watch: becoming over-identified with illness or a diagnosis, resisting rest or integration after crisis, playing healer without being healed, delayed healing due to emotional suppression, overgiving to others while neglecting your own vitality. Personal story: holding space for true healing. In my early days of business, I believed I had to be the hands and feet of God in others' lives. I would cancel my own appointments to prove my care to patients, pouring myself out, thinking that was love. But Spirit, through Seheiah's energy, taught me something deeper. True healing doesn't mean carrying others' burdens or doing the work for them. Healing comes when we awaken the Christ within and hold sacred space for their divine timing. Just like the woman with the issue of blood, Yeshua didn't force healing on her. She was ready. Her faith met divine presence. She reached out. That's when healing happened. Now, I no longer strive to be the healer. I become a reflection, a vessel, a reminder. I hold space in collaboration with their spiritual team, just as mine awakened me. We don't carry the cross for others. We simply keep our light burning so that others may find their own. Powerful invocation ritual: light a green or gold candle. Sit with green aventurine or amethyst over your heart. Speak Psalm 71:6 slowly and intentionally. Say: Seheiah, divine guardian of healing and protection, awaken the light of restoration within me. Remove all fear of illness and bring me into divine alignment with my physical and spiritual wholeness. Visualize golden light flooding your body. Focus on areas that need renewal. Journal any shifts or sensations. Seheiah's signature signs. Avoidance of an accident or unexpected recovery. Sudden guidance on a health issue. Feeling peaceful in a hospital or clinical setting. Being led to the right healing practitioner or medicine. Attracting people who seek healing conversations. Releasing fear around the body or illness. How you'll know it's working. You begin listening to your body with love. Illness no longer defines your identity. You stop overgiving and start restoring. You experience moments of miraculous recovery. You trust divine timing in your health journey. Closing. Seheiah teaches us that healing is not about trying harder, it's about aligning deeper. The miracle is not always the cure. Sometimes the miracle is the peace that returns when you stop fighting and start listening. If this message touched your soul, please like, comment, subscribe, or share with fellow seekers. For more sacred offerings, visit figalisticrestoration.com. Your healing is sacred. Your wholeness is divine. Let Seheiah guide you there.